Hey guys, this is iDroid review, and in this video we'll do unboxing of Samsung wireless charger stand. It is available for 3300 rupees on Amazon and Flipkart. Links are in the description. The Samsung wireless charger stand is compatible with Samsung Galaxy S6 and later devices. It supports fast charging when coupled with the Samsung fast charger which comes with the phone. Samsung wireless charger stand is Qi based and supports wireless charging in portrait and landscape mode. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. First we get the wireless charger stand. Next we get the quick start guide, and surprisingly these two are the only contents of this box. Samsung didn't include a USB-C cable or the wall charging adapter in this box, despite charging 3300 rupees for this wireless charger. Also, the fast wireless charging feature is only available when this wireless charger is coupled with Samsung fast charger. The wireless charger is built from premium material. It has matte finish on the front and it works great as a phone stand. Let's get this running. All we need to do is plug wall charger in the USB-C port of this wireless charging stand and it's up and running. To charge my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, all I need to do is place it on this wireless charger either in portrait or landscape mode. When placed on charging stand, phone is secure and doesn't wobble around. Also, I never had any incident when I placed my phone on this charger and the charging didn't start. Charging starts soon as I put my phone on the charger. A red light lights up on the front and phone also shows a pop-up showing that charging has started. The wireless charger stand takes 2 hours to charge my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus from 0% to 100%, which is like half an hour extra as compared to wired charger. But this wireless charger is portable and more convenient to use than the wired charger. Also, we don't have to plug the wire in and out every time we need to use the phone while in charging. Any other Qi compatible device can also be charged with this wireless charger, but it would charge at regular charging speed. To conclude, I really like this wireless charger stand. It frees me from tangled charging wires, and I like the fact that I don't have to plug the wire in and out each time I want to use the phone. Also, I love watching media content while my phone is placed on wireless charger in landscape mode. It works great as a stand as well. What I didn't like in this wireless charger is the fact that Samsung didn't include a fast wall charger in the box. Considering this fact, the price which we are paying for this wireless charger feels a bit too much. Links to Amazon and Flipkart are in the description. If you plan to buy a Samsung wireless charger stand, please use the links provided in the description. So that's all guys from my side. Hit the like button if you like the video and please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to get notifications.